Welcome back, history enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Lost Worlds Uncovered. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the heartland of ancient North America, where an extraordinary civilization once thrived. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of the Mississippian culture, renowned as the Mound Builders of North America. The Mississippian culture, spanning from the 9th to the 16th centuries CE, was a vibrant and sophisticated society that left an indelible mark on the landscape of North America. Join us as we delve into their remarkable achievements, their awe-inspiring architectural wonders, and the rich cultural tapestry they wove. Our journey takes us to the heart of the Mississippi River Valley, where one of the most magnificent cities of the pre-Columbian Americas once stood tall, Cahokia. Once a bustling urban center, Cahokia featured an astonishing complex of earthen mounds, sprawling plazas, and grand structures that defied imagination. The Mississippian people, skilled farmers and builders, left behind a legacy that continues to captivate archaeologists and historians. Through their intricate pottery, masterful craftsmanship, and sacred objects, we catch a glimpse into their unique worldview, intricate social structures, and profound spirituality. As we sift through the layers of time, we'll reveal the complex society that thrived within these ancient walls. The Mississippian culture was marked by a rigid social hierarchy, with influential leaders and revered priests guiding their communities. We'll uncover the fascinating rituals and ceremonies that played a vital role in their lives, bringing people together in celebration and reverence. Narrator, but it wasn't just their ceremonial practices that defined the Mississippian people. Their advanced agricultural techniques allowed them to cultivate bountiful crops, sustaining their thriving communities. The rhythmic pulse of daily life echoed through their towns, where families worked the fields, artists crafted intricate jewelry, and traders traversed vast distances to exchange goods. Sadly, like whispers carried away by the wind, the Mississippian culture eventually faded into the annals of history. The reasons behind their decline remain shrouded in mystery. But through the dedication of archaeologists and the preservation of their awe-inspiring mounds, we can honor their memory and gain a deeper understanding of the rich tapestry of human civilization. So, my fellow adventurers, join us on this exhilarating expedition through time, as we unearth the captivating world of the Mississippian culture and their incredible legacy as the Mound Builders of North America. Get ready to step foot into a lost world, where mystery and wonder await. Stay tuned for the next episode of Lost Worlds Uncovered, where we'll embark on an expedition to uncover another enigmatic civilization that shaped the course of human history. Until then, remember to keep exploring, keep discovering, and never stop seeking the wonders of our past. The Mississippian culture refers to a Native American civilization that thrived in the central and southeastern regions of North America between approximately 800 CE and 1600 CE. One of the notable characteristics of this culture was the construction of large earthen mounds, leading to their identification as the Mound Builders of North America. These mounds served various purposes, including ceremonial, political, and residential functions. The Mississippian culture emerged as a continuation of the earlier woodland period cultures, such as the Hopewell and Adena cultures. However, the Mississippian people developed a distinct social and political organization, as well as an advanced agricultural system, which contributed to their growth and expansion. The heartland of the Mississippian culture was located in the Mississippi River Valley, hence the name. However, its influence extended across a vast area, including parts of present-day states like Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Arkansas, and Georgia, as well as parts of Missouri, Louisiana, and Florida. The Mississippian people established large towns and settlements, some of which housed several thousand individuals. These settlements were often situated near rivers, which provided access to water for agriculture, transportation, and trade. The society was primarily agrarian, relying heavily on the cultivation of maize, corn, beans, squash, and other crops. One of the most recognizable features of the Mississippian culture was the construction of earthen mounds. These mounds varied in size and purpose. Some served as platforms for important structures, including temples, residences of the ruling elite, and ceremonial buildings. Others were burial mounds, where prominent individuals were laid to rest. The largest mounds could reach impressive heights, with the Cahokia Mounds in present-day Illinois being the most famous example. Cahokia was once the largest urban center of the pre-Columbian Americas, featuring a complex of mounds, plazas, and residential areas. The Mississippian culture was highly stratified, with a hierarchical social structure. Political power was concentrated in the hands of a ruling elite, consisting of chiefs and priests. These leaders oversaw the administration of their towns, organized religious ceremonies, and controlled trade networks. They derived their authority from both religious and political sources, and their positions were often inherited. Religion played a crucial role in Mississippian society. The people practiced a complex belief system that incorporated cosmological concepts, ancestral worship, and the veneration of nature. Ceremonial activities, often involving the use of sacred objects and rituals, were held on the mounds and in specialized plazas. These ceremonies served to reinforce social cohesion, assert political authority, and maintain the spiritual balance of the community. The Mississippian culture began to decline and eventually disappeared by the late 16th century. The reasons for their decline are not entirely understood, but factors such as environmental changes, warfare, and social unrest have been proposed as contributing factors. The arrival of European explorers and settlers in the 16th century further disrupted and transformed the indigenous societies of North America. Today, the legacy of the Mississippian culture lives on through archaeological sites and artifacts, which provide insights into their sophisticated society and unique cultural practices. The mounds they built continue to be significant cultural landmarks, reminding us of the impressive achievements of the mound builders of North America.